Okay, so in this problem, we're dealing with trigo functions na po. Okay, but I think this is kuwan lang, easy to manage lang na kuwan, diba? It's verily recognizable diri na kwanta, b z is equal to tangent, diba? Tangent x. So dz is equal to sec squared x dx. Okay? So, isa pa ginatong dapat bantayan nun diri kay ang 1 is equal to sin x plus cosine x. Divide na ko siya magkuhan. So, secant squared x is equal to tangent na siya plus 1. Diba? Oh. So, yung plus 1 pag ginako ni siya, secant squared x plus 1 is equal to tangent squared x plus 2. 1 plus 1 naman siya. Mahulog. Okay? So, 2 din na siya. Now, that is the case na yun. I'd like to rearrange this. This is tangent squared x plus 2. Sa man siya din eh. Sec squared x dx divided by 1 plus tangent cube x. Okay? So in other words, this becomes unsa na dayon tangent squared x. That is equal to z squared plus 2. Ba? This is unsa dz. So 1 plus z squared, z cube. Okay? Z cube na po na siya. Now, kadyot lang. Okay. So, we have this expression naman dayon, di ba? Now, ang ato ng next goal ani siya, let's try to find out kung unsa nga atong makuha niya atong derived lugar silbi na expression, di ba? Okay, mo naman nila atong tawag din na first stage na sadta. Okay? First stage is factoring the denominator. If you factor the denominator ani siya ha, let's try to observe z cubed plus 1, di ba? Balik ta tong f of x. F of x niya x dayon. Dong kuno ni observe naton si dagan ani siya ha. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So this is x cubed plus 1. Z, by the way, sorry. This should be z. This is z, okay? Start number 2 and 2. Okay, so this is negative 7. Natay 0 diri. Wow, sakto. 1, 2, and then 9. Okay, so natay una ni na case. We already have a factor ani saya which is z is equal to negative 1. Ba? If ako siya bilang to speak as we'll have z plus 1 is equal to 0. I'd like to factor this out though. Saan mo na ako na siya kuha na. Kwanta tong long division. So, z plus 1. We have z cubed plus 0z squared plus 0z plus 1. Ba? So, this is z squared. Z cubed, z squared. So, positive minus na sa din siya. So, negative z squared plus 0z. This is negative z, ba? Negative z squared, negative z, positive. So, z plus 1 plus 1 z1 minus minus 0. Okay? So, nanatay ko na ni siya na factor out na to siya. Na. Now, ako asa ni siya ikuan din is kilid. Ako lang sulat. Okay? Ayaw kayo mo ka-excited. dz 1 plus z cube. I still need to check if this is still valid. Okay? So, ni siya i-check if sakto ni siya na relationship. Sabi? Z squared pila ito ay sa z squared minus z plus 1. Okay? Z squared minus z plus 1. So, this should be z plus 1 z squared minus z plus 1. Let's try to examine daw kung if sakto ni siya. I'd like to try when z is equal to 0, 1 is equal to 1. Okay. But when z is equal to, let's say, 1 daw. Basta na ko na-check. Okay. Cube plus 1. We have 2. Ba? 2. And kani siya diri. This is x plus 1. We have 2. Sakto naman sure na siya. I think this relationship is okay. Ba? Alam tayo isa ka step din ni nalimtan. Wala na to check if na siya kuan din real or unreal na roots. Okay? We have to still investigate this term. Ba? So, I'd say diri z is equal to negative b. Negative 1 plus and minus b squared negative 1 squared minus 4 times a na to diri times c. Divide by 2a 1. Ba? Agay, patay ta. Ba? This is negative 1 minus 4 negative 3. Square root of 3 is unsa man? Imaginary. Ba? Complex root. So, this cannot be reduced further na. Nga na gina siya yung kon. Okay? So, already tested this and our denominator is okay. So, I just have to erase this na lang. Okay. So, nanatay ko na ni din na kuan. Next step is partial fractions. Partial fractions, z squared plus 2 divided by z plus 1 multiplied by z squared minus z plus 1 is equal to a times z plus 1 plus kaya siya b times irreducible naman siya din this is z squared minus z plus 1 ba? Reducible pero ang yan ko na niya differential na that is 2z plus 2z minus z minus 1 plus c ba? So solving this kana siya is equal to a z squared minus z plus 1 plus I'll just distribute diretso din bz minus b plus c z plus 1 so ako na siya i-distribute diri z squared plus 2 az squared minus az plus a plus 2bz squared minus bz plus cz ba? Plus 2bz negative b plus c. Okay? So, bites na dayon kayo. Diba? I will say then the highest power na to is z squared. Z1, Z0. So we have three equations, three unknowns. 0z plus amo lagi 1 kani siyang isa 0 2 dayon. So all of this has been crossed out na. Power of 2, that is a plus 2b. Okay, so anay line power of 2 din kanira nagamit na, take into account. Ang 1 is equal to negative a, sa pailain negative b, na plus 2b. Okay, natay c. Okay, so kani siya, take into account. May line 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so ang last din a, negative b, and c din siya. Okay, a, negative b, and c. So I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sakto. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so kindly review na lang dana. Okay, so inguna na din siya, ba? I like to finalize this kani siya. Negative b, I'll make that to unsa na lang, plus b. Kanya plus c na lang din siya. Okay? So pwede na rin magsugod ang solve, di ba? C is equal to unsa? If I were to add these two equations, 0 plus 2, that is 2. A 0, B 0, 2C. Okay? So C therefore is equal to 2. 1 rather. So when C is equal to 1, ako siya i-substitute na sa din sa balik din diba? Dili gyapon ta, wag gyapon tay padulungan pa na siya ha. Unless of course kani siya o kaniya to'y pares, bi? Ay pwede mo gyapon kanina lang. Let's try kaniya tong duha ay pares. 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Kani siya 0, kani siya is equal to 3b, ba? Plus c is equal to 1. So plus 1 din siya, di ba? So I think b is equal to 0 na dayon, di ba? So it can be said na din na b is equal to 0. Now if b is equal to 0, then 0 na siya din a is equal to 1. So I think fights na din siya diri karon. Okay, adjust lang. Okay, now a is equal to 1 ang ibutang diri. C is equal to pila? 1. B is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, then might as well I'll just delete all of this na lang, diba? Ano ako lang butang din ni 1. Right? Let's try to test na po din if our partial fraction is correct. Let's say z is equal to 0 ka sa tumakuha na answer. This should be equal to 2. Kung kanina this, because this is 1 over z plus 1 plus 1 over z squared minus z plus 1, that is equal to 2. Hala, sakto. Okay, we can go on with another number, pero I think confidence na ta din for economization na lang sa time. Kay limitado atong oras. Base equal to 0 na. So this is the Conadayon. Now I'd like to make room para sa to. This should be equal to dz z plus 1 plus the integral din diri 1 over z squared minus z plus 1 dz. Okay, so ako na sang gusto i-explore diri kay kani siya. Okay, kani siya din sa ubos. I have kani z squared minus z plus 1, diba? Ako ni siyang ikuan negative 1 divided by 2 and then I'll just square. That is unsa 1/4, diba? So 1/4 siya. According imon ani, if that is 1/4, then I can just easily say na lang din dara na z squared minus z plus 1/4 plus 3/4 ba? So I can easily say na lang din dara na z minus 1/2 squared plus 3/4. So I'll just square root of 3 din square din na 2 kana ba? Let's check daw ko no if sakto ni siyang duha nga atong kwan. Constant checking means more confidence, so it might be a longer process pero mas mayo na siyang confident ta. Okay, makatulog man mo ginsakto, pwede man mo diretso na, pero kamo bahala unsa ninyo. Okay, when x is equal to 0, I will have unsa when z is equal to 0, then this should be equal to 1. Yeah, kung i-compute diri when z is equal to 0, that should also be equal to 1. So okay na kuan ni. I'm really confident na din sa ingon na klaseng expression. Now if that is the case, I can easily change this na lang dayon ton sa kanina expression. So z minus 1/2 squared plus square root of 3 over 2 squared. Ano rin tayo dz din Bites, diba? So if that is the case dayon, I can now begin the integration process. This is ln z, ln z plus 1. Kamu na ibalag simplify ani, okay? Kuha na kayo. Katulgo na pod ko. Square root of 3 over 2. This is in arctan. Z minus 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2 plus c. Okay? And this is equal to unsa? ln z. Z is equal to tangent x. Tangent x plus 1. And this is plus 2 square root of 3. Arctangent kanisya din that is 2 tangent x minus 1 over square root of 3 plus c. Okay, so this is our final answer. Gets? If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the post on the video, or you can send me a private message. Thank you and God bless.